Oh, mercy. What is it about the job? I love those kids. I love First Student. I mean, I really do. I love my job as a bus driver, not only because of the kids, but enjoy working in the public, you know, and the parents and the teachers. It's been good.
We provide yellow bus transportation for school districts, and one of our larger customers is Cincinnati Public Schools, and we provide a large share of transportation for their students. I tell my entire staff that you don't know if we're transporting the next president, if we're transporting the next great invention, if you're transporting a cure for cancer. Those are the great and exciting things about transporting students and being a part of their lives.
You become family, you become friends. I mean, every morning they get on the bus, hey, how you doing? What's going on? And they'll tell you if you'll give them time, you know, if you show them attention. And I think a lot of times folks don't, but I always ask, how's your day, or what's going on, or how's sports going?
Safety is a part of the First Student culture. It's a personal value of mine. We are twice as safe as our nearest competitor, and we do everything with safety in mind.
One thing with First Student, they do a tremendous job in cleaning the buses and sanitizing the buses. But on top of that, after every drop off at school, I'll spray Lysol and clean the bus and wipe down the bus, and so we've tried to be real safe, and it's worked.
Our job is very fulfilling. There's a great sense of fulfillment when it comes to being in the lives of young people.
I would say this, once again, I don't feel like no hero, or I don't feel like no special person. It's just all of us together, working together, and that's kind of the way First Student is. I really feel that way. I mean, Brother Kenn Jones, he treats us like family, and he encourages us, you know, to work together. And if we work together, we can do anything. So that's kind of the way I feel, you know.
I'd like to thank the Red Cross for this honor. It is certainly not one put upon me alone. I'm grateful to my organization, First Student, and to my entire team. We all share in this honor, and we're humbled by the recognition.